we now
clarify in this video
the uses of metal and non-metal. In the previous video, we know the characteristics of metals and non-metals. In this video, we know that the use of metals and non-metals. We know that the metals making in use of machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellites, industrial gadgets, cookings, steels, water boilers, and extras. Because the metals is now it is emerging in our life, because every step we use to metals and non-metals. In the metals, our first quality that metal is sound when we beating the metal, and the metal is shining when we rubbed on the metal, it is shining. And this is the metals quality, and metals are used in the above situation which are I mentioned above, that metals are used in machinery, automobiles, to make fans and watches and other things, boilers, aeroplanes, trains, industrial gadgets, cookings, no extra. And we now understand that non-metal is essential for our life, which are essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing. Non-metals used in fertilizers to enhance the growth of plants. Non-metals used in water purification process. Non-metal used in the purple colored solution which is applied on wounds as an antiseptics. Non-metals used in crackers. You may add some more uses of metals and non-metals from your experience. Many examples we can give on the uses of metals and non-metals. Things properly we can use in daily life. What we have learnt in these chapters: metals are lusters, whereas non-metals have non-lusters. Generally, metals are malleable and ductile. Non-metals do not have these properties. Generally, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, but non-metals are poor conductors. On burning, metal react with the oxygen to produce metals oxide, which are basic in nature. Non-metals react with the oxygen to produce non-metal oxide, which are acidic in nature. Some metals react with water to produce metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metals do not react with water. Metals react with the acid and produce metals, salts and hydrogen gas. Generally, non-metals do not react with acids. Some metals react with bases to produce hydrogen gas. More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their compounds in aqueous solution. Metals and non-metals are used widely in everyday life. So we can make other questions in previous video. The 8th question we have done. We started to the 9th questions. What happens when dilute sulfuric acid is poured on a copper plate? Copper does not react with the dilute sulfuric acid. When concentrated sulfuric acid is poured on copper plate, copper reacts with sulfuric acid to liberate hydrogen gas. For example, in Hindi, we can say that कॉपर का डाइल्यूट या पतला कह सकते हैं, जैसे कि एक होता है गाढ़ा, एक होता है पतला। पतला विलयन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का कॉपर की प्लेट में डाला जाता है तो वो कोई रिएक्ट नहीं करता, कोई क्रिया नहीं होती। लेकिन जब गाढ़ा सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को, कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को प्लेट में डाला जाता है तो उस समय कॉपर सल्फेट बनता है और हाइड्रोजन गैस हमको मिलती है या स्वतंत्र होती है, जैसे भी है। तो इसकी इक्वेशन बनती है Cu plus H2SO4 is equal to CuSO4 plus H2. Another example, iron nails are placed in the copper sulfate solution. The reactive of iron is more than copper, so iron will displace copper from copper sulfate solution. In this reaction, the blue copper of the copper sulfate fades. Now we started the equations, chemical equations. Fe plus CuSO4 is equal to FeSO4 plus Cu. Next questions. Saloni took a piece of burning charcoal and collected to gas evolve in the test tube. How will she find the nature of the gas? First, the answer, and some water in the test tube in which gas is collected. Now cover the test tube. Shake it well. Test the solution with the blue litmus and red litmus. Blue litmus turn into red. Thus the nature of gas is acidic. जब हम एक चारकोल के टुकड़े को एक प्रश्नली में लेकर उसको कवर करते हैं टेस्ट ट्यूब से और उसको हिलाने पे जब गैस निकलती है और उसके पास नीले लिटमस पेपर को लाते हैं तो वो लाल हो जाता है। इससे पता चलती है कि जो गैस है वो एसिडिक है, यानी अम्लता है उसके अंदर। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, राइट डाउन द वर्क इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑल द रिएक्शन टेकिंग प्लेस इन दिस प्रोसेस। चारकोल व्हेन रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन फॉर्म कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस। C charcoal plus O2 oxygen is equal to CO2 gas is produced. Now the 11 questions. One day Rita went to a jeweler's shop with her mother. Her mother gave old gold jewelry to the goldsmith to polish. Next day when they brought the jewelry back, they found that there was a slight loss in its weight. Can you suggest a reason for the loss in the weight? To polish a gold ornament, it is dipped in an acid called aqua regia. The outer layer of the gold dissolves in the acid and the inner shining layer is visible. Because of loss of upper layer of jewelry, its weight is reduced. यानी अंदर की जो उसकी परत है वो दिखाई दे जाती है, ऊपरी परत जो वो नीचे गिर जाती है। तो इस वी कैन से द reduce of the weight. So now the chapter 4 is completely. I hope you will be understand very well. If you have any problem, to call me.